What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my new car that I just purchased. It's a 2014 Porsche Cayenne GTS. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can see all the cool features and you can know why I bought this car. So here is my Porsche Cayenne GTS. The GTS trim is the sportiest trim you can get on a Porsche. Above that you have the Turbo and the Turbo S. So this Cayenne has a 4.8 liter V8 naturally aspirated engine producing 420 horsepower and 380 foot-pound of torque. This is a very powerful engine. It's still fast considered in today's standards. Here's the car. Show you the interior. It's pristine condition. So this car has 107,000 kilometers. When I purchased it, it was only sitting at 104,000. Only 2 owners. And why I like this generation, the 958.1 GTS over the .2, is the naturally aspirated engine. So with this car, it comes with the Porsche Sport exhaust system. This is a factory upgrade, which you had to pay extra when it was new. You get quad blacked out tips. And for those who are wondering how is the maintenance on these cars, when I was doing research, this generation with this engine is pretty strong in terms of German reliability. Of course, it's not going to have the same reliability of a Japanese car, but for German, European, these cars are not bad. I've owned it now almost a month. I would say 3 weeks I'm entering. The only issue I did come across was an electrical issue, which was underneath the battery. The main ground wire was not connected to the car properly, so the car kept turning off, or will not turn on after I shut it off. So I got that fixed. But other than that, I did some maintenance. When I purchased the car, I got all the filters changed, the engine air filter, cabin filter, and I did the transmission oil change with the filter as well. I also done changed the transfer case oil. For this car, they're known to have transfer case issues. I wouldn't say known, I take that back. I would say it's a rare case, but people did experience these issues. The garage I went to, they said they only see once a year someone comes in with a transfer case problem. So I'm like, you know what, might as well get that oil replaced. And it's not that expensive. It only takes 1 liter or a quart of transfer case oil. And the job is pretty straightforward. Just flush the old oil and put the new oil in. And for drivability, this car drives amazing, honestly. If you see in my previous videos, I had the 2019 BMW X6, and I can firmly say this car drives way better than my X6. Way better. Yeah, I know maybe it's not a direct comparison, but I understand why people like Porsches. This is my first Porsche that I've owned, and it just drives much better. It just it's more firm. It's planted to the ground, and we'll go on a quick drive after. I'll go somewhere that's quieter so I can show you the exhaust sound of this car. Came here because we get the beautiful view of Burj Khalifa in the back. And I didn't do any modifications. I'm going to keep this car stock, honestly. With natural aspirated cars, it's pretty hard to squeeze horsepower. And it's quick enough, honestly. For everyday driving, it can go. And I noticed the 8-speed, I feel that the gears are short. So when you punch on it, it wants to go. This is the interior. You see leather's in pristine condition, and with the GTS you get the full leather option, where the dash, the door panels, the lower door panels, It's all covered in, I believe this is Napa leather. So I'll start it up. And one thing I did do is I added the Apple CarPlay, which is I don't know if it will work right now because I'm recording, but this is a needed option for these cars. So, and once you add the CarPlay, the car becomes basically modern again. It doesn't have soft closed doors, unfortunately, but has a rear view camera. So I think that's good enough. Now, this is my favorite button. Now the exhaust opened up. So we'll go for a quick drive. Okay guys, now listen. The induction sound is amazing. I love it. Like when I drove this car, or when I drive this car actually, I always have a smile. A big smile, because this car is just amazing to drive. And now when I'm on sport mode, the suspension stiffens up and the ride can get bouncy. But when you go back into the comfort, there's a noticeably a big difference in terms of ride quality. So there's some traffic here. We'll try to get another quick pull. And what's nice, you have these paddle shifters that you can downshift or upshift on each side. So when you push forward, you upshift, and you press the button from the back here, you downshift. You see? Oh, those blips sound nice. Need to slow down because we got a speed camera in front of me. So what I like with Porsche is the small gauge you have here. You have all the engine parameters, the water temperature, the oil temperature, and the oil pressure bar. So it's very nice to have. I'm always looking out for it. One thing of this car, I would say it's a con. Well, of course, if you buy this caliber of car, you shouldn't be worrying about it, but it does like to drink gas. This thing consumes gas like no tomorrow. Although, if you drive normal, like a human, you do get not bad of gas mileage, considering its weight and caliber of car. But the second you do step on it, it drinks. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a U-turn here. So I'll do one strong pull. Oh, wait. Alright, downshift. Oh yeah. It just sounds nice, and it handles amazing, guys. Really, it handles. And to give you guys an idea of my gas mileage, so this weekend I did some sprinted driving, not too much. My last fill up, I got 400, or my last fill up was 498 kilometers ago, and this is how much gas I have left. So the most I got, if I squeeze it all the way to the end, was 600 kilometers to the tank, which is not bad, honestly. Which is not bad. Do one more pull again. Oh. It's such a fun car, guys. Like for an SUV, and having this as a daily, it's so fun. Porsche really does a good job on hiding its way. So now we'll go back to normal mode. And regular driving, it's not bad. You're gonna hear you'll get some road noises. Right now I put Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV. Good tires. Got a good deal on them. Before the previous owner had Pirellis on them, so they needed to be changed. So I got these tires. They drive okay. Actually, good, not okay. It grips the car very well. Comparing from my previous cars, I feel the road noise is a bit loud in the Cayenne, but usually I have my music up, so I don't really hear much. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this microphone in the middle of the two exhaust tips so you guys can get the best sound, and let's wake up this beast. And I'm going to start off in the normal mode, then I'll turn on the valves. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video of demonstrating my GTS. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll be sharing with you my experience of owning this car. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.